Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. Welcome you all to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of English, Day Shift. Today I am going to take an English class for the students of class 5. Our today's topic is CBQ, that means competency based question 3 and 4 from your practice sheet page number 3. I repeat again, our today's topic is CBQ 3-4 from practice sheet page number 3. Today our lecture number is 17 and your HW number is also 17. Okay, let's start. CBQ 3 from your practice sheet page number 3. Please all of you open your practice sheet. Write 5 sentences about your daily night activities considering the following points. Write the time in numbers and activity sequence in ordinal numbers in your writing. And there are some questions. When do you start your study? How many things do you do at night? And the last question is, what time does each activity begin? Now we will answer all these questions. The answer is, basically I start my study at 6:30 p.m. I do 4 activities at night. My first activity is taking some snack which starts at 6:15 and ends at 6:30 p.m. My second activity is study and it starts at 6:30 p.m. and continues up to 10 p.m. My third activity is taking dinner which I take at 10 p.m. My fourth activity is going to sleep at 10:30 p.m. So this is the answer of CBQ 3. Now we will see the points of CBQ number 4. Write 5 sentences about your birthday ceremony considering the following points. Write the time in numbers and period sequence in ordinal numbers in your writing. So now we will have the points. Number 1, on what date did you celebrate your birthday? When did the program begin? The third one is, what did you do first? Then, when was the dinner served? And the final point is, when did the program end? Now we will see the answer. The answer is, I celebrated my birthday on 7th March. You will write down your own birth date, okay? My program began at 8 p.m. At first, I blew the candles and cut the cake. Secondly, my father fed me a slice of cake. Thirdly, we sang song and enjoyed the party. The dinner was served at 9:15 p.m. Our program ended at 10:30 p.m. So this is the answer of CBQ number 4 considering all the points. Dear students, you can also write the answer according to your own imagination. Following the points, you can change the time and date also. Okay. I hope that all of you have understood and got a better idea how to answer this CBQ question. Question number 3 and question number 4. So your HW number 17, homework number 17 will be CBQ number 4. That means the last one, which is Write 5 sentences about your birthday ceremony considering the following points. And these are the points. Okay, you will write down the points and the answer also in your homework copy. Okay, so dear students, take care of yourself, abide by your parents, stay safe and healthy. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.